Hello everyone, welcome back here to Khmerue Teams Official Channel. In this video tutorial, I will take you how to add the block quotes or make your block your block code is more professional and looks very good. So as you can see here, it is not have any block code yet in my free HTML code here. So there is nothing. Before you do that, you need to have this code that it is a small code here. And okay, so and here is another code that I have already edited, and you can use it with me, the same to me now. Now you need to have all of this code here, and you don't need to write it by yourself. So you need to go ahead and click on download link in my description below, and you are done with that. Now first we're gonna find the old code that all template always have an old quote code that stay inside your blogger. So now I'm gonna click here and edit HTML to find does your blogger have an old code or not. So you need to find this one by one by press Ctrl F inside the code area and pass this code, and then click enter. If you cannot find that, it means you have to try with one more, just like this, and click it again and Ctrl F and Ctrl V to find it again. If you still cannot find this, you're gonna delete post and find only the word block quote, and then hit enter until you found the result. Okay, you can scroll down to help them to find the original place or skin. Okay, it's not yet here, so it's nothing. In here is nothing, so we're gonna find one more step by starting with the skin here. Okay, when we click on that, it looks like we have nothing appearing, and you make sure that you have to put this word also, and starting with a dot point. Okay, now we cannot find that, so it means it is not a problem. So go click back. I'm not talking about this quote because this is not important to do that with this. So go ahead and click back. Don't need to save anything, and then go to post again, and we are gonna starting with add quote mark like this, and then click update and click save, and you will see the preview is what happening to the quote marks. So we're gonna refresh with that. It's the only italic letters or italic text. So to make it have a style, you need to go to edit HTML again and find the skin like this. So go ahead and press copy that and wait for a while because the internet is it looks like have a problem with internet. I'm sorry too. Okay, now we have already edit the HTML, so go ahead and click copy this skin and click anywhere inside the code area and press Ctrl F to find this skin and hit enter, just like this. So here's the way that we're gonna add some style code by starting from this block quote margin here, and press Ctrl C and copy that, and then pass it just above this begin tag, just like this. Here's the bold tag here. Okay, and then we're gonna click on save. Okay, update successfully. And now we're gonna click back. No need to click back, you're gonna add one more code just below the head text. So you're gonna use this style here. Press Ctrl C to select, Ctrl A to select, and copy all this code, and then put it inside the head tag here. Okay, you can place anywhere just inside the head tag. For example, I'm gonna pass it here. Okay, and now I'm gonna click on save. Okay, now we're gonna refresh it, and what is happening now? Okay, that is very awesome here. So you are now getting a very good and beautiful block quote here. And otherwise, if your blog post is not appearing like this, now I'm gonna refresh for you. It will not showing. It's showing like this. So thing that you gotta do is you need to search search this keyword here that called blocks quote inside the HTML here. So press Ctrl F and V to find that. Not this one, not this one, not this one. Okay, this one. This code is starting with as you can see here, with dots, post, and block quotes. So you need to delete all original quote that appearing inside your template. So now I'm gonna copy to show you that that is the quote mark here. It's showing you like this. So you need to go ahead and delete as the long like this until you see this mark here. This mark is the closing of mark here. So you need to delete all inside this code here, just among this, and then click delete, and then click on save. Okay, here's the step 2 that I'm gonna show you like that. After you have already done that, you're gonna refresh it back, and you will see everything is working fine now, and you got it, and no marks anymore ever again. So thank you for watching my video tutorial, and make sure that you have used all the begin. Begin is my quote. You can replace it, replace that code with my quote here. You can replace it with my quote here. So you don't need to delete that, so you can replace it with this code if you want, just inside here. And the next step is we're gonna add this CSS style code inside the head text. As you can see here, it is starting from the style here, open tag, and the closing style tag here. So this is the way that I'm gonna help you to do that. I'm not a coder, but I just have an experience to add any code inside the blogspot. So I show you all my video is just an experience, that it is still working. It is still working fine for you. And you can download this code just inside my video description. So go ahead and download that. So thank you for watching.